Welcome to this video on prompt engineering, focusing on clarity, context, and structure. Prompt engineering is about writing clear and smart instructions to get the best answers from AI. Key principles include being clear, giving context, setting the format, and providing examples. Let's explore the difference between discriminative AI and generative AI. Discriminative AI classifies data, while generative AI creates new data. Prompt engineering plays an essential role in generative AI. Generative AI creates new content, such as text like ChatGPT, images, music, code, and videos. An LLM, or large language model, understands and generates human language. It predicts the most likely next word based on patterns learned during training. LLMs do not think or understand like humans. Here is a step-by-step look at what happens when you ask a question. The text is broken into tokens, the model analyzes patterns, and predicts the next word, one word at a time, until the answer is complete. AI does not read full sentences, it reads tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, a number, or a punctuation mark. Each piece counts as a token. The context window is the maximum amount of text I can remember in one conversation, like short-term memory. If the window is 8,000 tokens, AI remembers only the last 8,000 tokens, and older parts are forgotten. Different models have varying context window sizes, with some modern models reaching 128,000 tokens. This determines how much information the model can process at once. AI hallucinations are confidently incorrect outputs generated by LLMs. They occur because generative AI is designed to predict the most likely next word, not to verify facts. To reduce hallucinations, ask for sources, instruct the AI to say, "I don't know" if unsure, be specific in prompts, and always cross-check important information. AI predicts words and does not verify facts. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of the AI's output. A better prompt leads to a better result. Now let's look at some popular ChatGPT prompt frameworks to help structure your instructions. The RTF framework stands for Role, Task, and Format. It involves specifying the AI's role, the task it needs to perform, and how the answer should be structured, making the prompt clear and effective. The TAG framework breaks down the prompt into task, action, and goal. This framework focuses on the work to be done, how to do it, and the final purpose of the output. The BAB framework uses before, after, and bridge. Before describes the current problem, after is the desired result, and bridge outlines the solution. This is often used for persuasive content. The CARE framework includes context, action, result, and example. This structure provides background information, what should be done, the expected outcome, and a real-life example for a detailed output. The RISE framework stands for Role, Input, Steps, and Expectation. You define the AI's role, the information provided, the instructions to follow, and the specific desired output. Next, let's look at the types of prompts, direct versus structured. Direct prompting is short and general, instructing the AI without much context, which may lead to imperfect output. Structured prompting, in contrast, involves giving the AI a role, context, specific task, constraints on what not to do, and a defined output format for a more precise result. We will now examine various prompt types, starting with zero-shot prompting, which involves asking a question without providing any examples. Few-shot prompting gives the AI a few examples of the task before asking the main question. This helps the AI understand the desired format and tone for the final response. Role-based prompting assigns a specific persona or profession to the AI. This helps to guide the tone, perspective, and depth of the generated response. Output formatting prompts define the desired structure of the response, such as using tables, bullet points, markdown, or specific character limits to ensure organized results. Constraint-based prompts instruct the AI on what to include, like keywords or themes, and what to avoid, known as negative constraints. This fine-tunes the generated content. Self-correction prompts instruct the AI to check its own work for common errors, bias, or factual accuracy. This can significantly improve the quality and reliability of the output.